Hello foodie, welcome to Tasty Korea. Today's topic is bulgogi. Bulgogi is one of the Korean iconic dish. World of bulgogi consisting of bul, which means fire, and gogi, which means meat. And it is made of the sin and marinade with the sliced pork or beef, grilled on the barbecue or the stove-top griddle. If you use pork, it becomes 돼지 bulgogi. If you use beef, it becomes 소불고기. The basic sauce is Ganjang, which is Korean soybean sauce. But if you marinate with the gochujang, which is Korean chili paste, then it becomes Gochujang Bulgogi. And every home and region has their own character and a recipe. So there are tons of different recipes in Korea. But speaking in general, Seoul Style Bulgogi is a moisture with a broth, and Gwangyang Bulgogi is pretty dry without the broth. So it is one of the big amusement to find your favorite bulgogi style in Korea. Enjoy bulgogi, enjoy Tasty Korea.